Clear your mind, clear your mind. How? Clear your mind. How? Clear your mind. How? Clear your mind. Have you ever crossed the line to come across what you're so behind? Like work yourself to death, oh my. Get a job that barely pays for your time. Have you ever crossed the line to come?
Filling yourself with the knowledge and the wisdom to get you forward. Okay, so we started out with the new beginning. We started out with the resting, and now we're essentially, it's like you rested, you're wise now. That's kind of what the example of being on that note represents. So as you sip on this one, I want you to envision yourself in a new life, a new version of yourself. Because you're not going to be the same person when you leave here today. Remember that is?
I just found out it's called weird psychology, and that's for Western industrialized rich people that like a summer cheese and stuff. But yeah, but all the studies that we have, just based on like the early ages of psychology, is really rich white men. And that's 90% of our research right there. So we're still actively now coming together and doing something. Like it's crazy that it's just always been like that.
They got so many instruments. They got bongo drums, tambourines.
It's tequila lime honey, and it's really good. I made it myself. 10 out of 10 recommend.
I thought you made that real quick. I was like, girl, that was
Beautiful girl.
Okay, what do we have here?
Chicken, El Pastor, there's also chicken and
The chicken?
pork.
Okay, she said the chicken is good, so I'm gonna try it.
Which one?
The al pastor? It's spicy?
No.
Okay, and I'm gonna try the shredded.
tequila actually goes through an aging process. But this one, after it's basically harvested from the plant, it goes right into distillation and then it's bottled right on up. So it's pure, it has no color, very light. And when you're tasting this tequila, I want you to visualize new beginnings. What is it that you want to start anew, okay? So be very clear and don't be afraid to whisper into your tequila. I know it looks a little crazy, okay? Even if you go out and you try this, they might be looking at you a little crazy. They'll be like, why are you whispering to your drink? But they don't need to know, it's your business, okay? I'm gonna tell you why, okay? But yeah, you can whisper into it, speak life into it. It's still a liquid, it holds memory, okay? So speak life into it. And yeah, just visualize that. So she's going around now, she's passing that out. And I want you to smell it. I want you to smell it, take it in. Even if you're not drinking, you can get one because I want to show you, like I said, how to manifest utilizing the tequila as well.
Can I share about my past?
Like literally like almost if you're sucking on your tongue, question mark? But yeah, you want to fill your mouth up with saliva until it's just enough in there, and then you want to sip on the tequila, because what that does, that breaks through some of that just strong taste that the tequila may hold. So yeah, the saliva kind of breaks that down. And as you know, most people will take it with a lemon or a lime to cut through that as well. But yeah, sip mindfully, yeah. It's a moment in time where they put the dough aside and they allow it to rest. So what happens during that time? It grows. So when you're taking reposado in, I want you to imagine the growth that comes with that, the aging, the resting that comes with your journey. And it's okay to rest. It's part of the healing. You're not supposed to be working every day, day in, day out, with no breaks, okay? Resting is your birthright. I'm gonna say that again. Resting is your birthright, okay? So, yes, as you taking that tequila, I want you to reflect on different ways how you can rest, take a break, reset, to align yourself back on track. So you can write those intentions down now if you want. She's going to be coming around very shortly, passing that out. So, yes, as you hold your reposado, you're going to think about areas in your life where you need more balance, or where you can experience personal growth, okay? We're all growing, so it's okay. And it's okay to also outgrow the environment you're in. Even plants have to be repotted every once in a while. So it doesn't necessarily mean that something's wrong with you because you no longer fit in those spaces where you once were. It's just a sign that you're forever evolving and growing past what you couldn't even imagine. So, if you haven't drank your reposado yet, cheers. Cheers. Enjoy. Yeah. So can you taste the difference between the Blanco and the reposado? Okay. Who said hell yeah? Who said that? Okay, it's strong, in other words. Okay. But this is that age, that's that oak, okay? Next time you go up to the bar, you be like, I'm sipping on that oak, okay? Sipping on that oak. Y'all don't know nothing about that. It's that splat. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you got yours? All right, we're gonna start with you right here. What does your card say?
Dreams.
Dreams, okay. So if you're not familiar, these are tarot. I like to close out my sound bath with a little message from Spirit. But your card being dreams, you're the type of person that has big dreams. You have big things you want to work on. But I feel like you gotta give more life to it. You know, you can't just talk about it, you gotta be about it. So if you're gonna come up with these grand ideas or these things you wanna get done, you gotta walk the walk, you know what I'm saying? So that's message from Spirit is, if you have these dreams, believe in yourself and bring it to life, okay? This is not your time. It's not your time to give in or give up. Because just like we talked about tequila, growth looks different on everybody. Some plants take 8 years, some take a month. But never compare where you're going to someone else. Okay? Yeah, look at what you're doing here. Let me tell you a quick story. I grew up with Orion, we went to school together. Never would I. There are parts of you, there are parts of the world that you have not even seen yet. So you need to go deep, and don't be afraid. Explore. I mean, it's like a giant playpen we're talking about. So many different things you can get into. That's also a sign that you could be traveling soon. I don't know, maybe you booked the trip already, but if you have, it's a sure sign that you definitely are meant to go on that trip.
Speak your truth.
Speak your truth. Throat chakra might have been blocked. Mm-hmm. Yeah. You need to do exactly that. Set better boundaries. No means no. And what about it? And what about it, right? I mean, if I said no, I said no.
I'm awakening.
Awakening, exactly that. As you know, we go through shifts and changes. Girl, you are transforming. I mean, it's a lot of transformation tonight. I swear, but this is my girlfriend, by the way, y'all. This is lovely. But yeah, I can see you. She is growing, y'all. She's been through a lot over the last, year, 2 years, to be honest. But if only y'all knew. I mean, she's still standing, walking here today, and I'm just super proud of you. I'm proud of you, and I love you, and I really see where you're gonna go. By the way, she's a future shaman, so if y'all need some shaman work, that's gonna be her. All 2025, looking busy, right? All right. And then mine is flow. Oh, you already know. We can go with the flow. I'm in my element, like. To even do this with y'all, if I told y'all this started on a dry erase board, would you believe me? If I told you that I was drawing this down, I had a vision board, I didn't even know who was gonna be here. I didn't know if y'all were gonna come. I didn't even know none of this was gonna happen, but I did it, and it was all because I was moving in my flow. I stopped being afraid of my voice. I stopped being afraid to just share my gifts. And I decided, you know what? We're gonna do it today. Why not? Not only on this sacred day, but I mean, come on. But that is my message to everyone, and I want you to hold that message near and dear to your heart, because it's not over. To close it out, I know we're a little bit over time. As people, we never on time. But I'm gonna sing to y'all. Y'all want me to sing to y'all some more? Yeah. Okay. So we have 2 songs left. After the song, I like to talk. So if y'all want to share your experience, oh yeah, baby, we got some tissue right there for you. Love it. But yeah, share your experience, y'all. Let it out. This is a safe space. No one will judge you here. This last song is called Aftermath. I know we got a little bit emotional, but I want you to kind of turn up a little bit with me. I feel like we should end this on a high note. This is such a beautiful night. Again, I'm sorry we went over time, but we're here. And yeah. You But yes, thank y'all.